There's a particular joy, I think, in cooking and producing, a meal for your friends or your family. It's very precious.
My name is Sean Collins. I am the chef owner of the Red Rabbit restaurant. Working with Churchill Farm gives you the opportunity to drive out to the farm and see how the animals are being treated, where they're coming from.
I guess we've changed our philosophy over the years from high production monoculture, and now we're doing restaurant foods and high quality meats.
So my recipe is a Churchill Farm leg of lamb. It's stuffed with freekeh and herb stuffing and grilled over charcoal. The most tender lamb I've ever used. It's a nice sort of outdoorsy summery dish, and you can do it over a fire pit, charcoal barbecue. You can use propane if you want. It can be cooked really any way.